video I will show you is how to connect Microsoft SQL Server 2005 to VB.NET 2005. First, open or create project, but in my case I will just open it because I have already a program that connect to Microsoft SQL Server. And then double click the form. First you must import, so just like this, import system.data.sql client, and then declare a variable to connect SQL Server. First, in the name scon as SQL connection. Scon is just a variable which is I declare as a SQL connection. Note, ignore the other code because we just focus on how to connect SQL Server to VB.NET encoding. So proceed. Next, create sub which will put your connection path just like this, and then call the variable scon. So scon equals new SQL connection, open parenthesis, open quote, server equals jambook-pc slash SQL Express semicolon initial catalog equals dbsample semicolon integrated security equals true, close quote, close parenthesis. So jambook-pc slash SQL Express is the server name of my Microsoft SQL Server, and the dbsample is the name of my database, and select it has true, and after the path type scon.open to open the database. Note, you can paste this in a class, but in my case I'm comfortable with this, so that's for now.